How to log in to Bolt app securely. Already have a Bolt account? Here's how to log in safely. So let's begin. First, open the Bolt app, then tap Login. Enter your registered phone number and email address. Then tap Next. You'll get a one-time verification code. Input it and you'll be logged into your account instantly. If you have used Bolt before, it may log you in automatically when you reinstall the app. Always double check that your account details are correct, especially if you manage multiple Bolt profiles. Do you prefer logging in with your phone number or email? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can log in to Bolt app securely. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.